Guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make, and they may end up spending thousands of dollars on repairs, diagnostics, parts that they may not actually even need. We'll talk about that in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Super quick, very helpful video for any of you trying to find where the crankshaft position sensor fuses relays are located on Mercedes GLC this generation right here. Guys, please do not waste any money on parts, tools, diagnostics. If you have problems with the crankshaft position sensor, it could be quite simple fix. We'll talk about that, testing it as well. And after that, if you need to buy replacement parts and tools, guys, we'll share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from as well. Let's start on it now. Even before we start, guys, let us share something with you. Okay, 9 out of 10 people do not know there will be hidden fuse boxes in that Mercedes. How many? Up to 6, 7 different fuse boxes, guys. Now, that's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's called Mercedes GLC fuse box location and diagram. Check it out. It's a video that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Now, guys, when we make all these free videos, we take every single car apart that we get here at the garage. We make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We show you how to fix engines, transmission, codes, fuses, relays, because our mission at the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need, guys, in return, subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So, for the crankshaft position sensor, guys. Now, crankshaft position sensor, we'll explain about the fuses and relays, but always test your crankshaft position sensor. It's not very complicated. We'll have video on our YouTube channel how to test crankshaft position sensor that will teach you how to do that step by step. Test it before we buy a new one to verify that it's bad. Now, what we guys need to do, we'll be working multiple fuse boxes. First, we need to open the passenger door. In the passenger side footwell compartment here on the side of the dash, you have a cover. Go ahead and open that cover. Underneath, you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So guys, let us tell you something really quick, guys. People make one common mistake. They never test fuses, relays. They look at them and they assume they're good. At that point, they think they have a good fuse or relay and they start replacing modules, computers, parts that can cost you thousands of dollars in repairs, guys. Always test your fuses. You have no idea how many cars we fixed for customers that said, oh, I checked the fuse, everything's fine, but I still have a problem. Now, some fuses are super hard to see if they're burnt or not. Some of them will be really easily accessible. You can clearly see them, but there will be fuses that are not see-through, fuses that may look like they're not burned, but they're actually burned. And often, guys, you can actually even test these fuses. Okay, let me show you now without even removing them. But it's very important to know how to test different fuses and relays, and if you want to see how to do that, guys, we're going to put that link to a video in the description of the video below, how to test fuse, how to test a relay. Always check that. I want to emphasize that enough because it could be a really simple fix. And here, guys, what we need to check, multiple engine management fuses, because it's hard to tell exactly which one is for that sensor, but check all of them. The first one we need to check is fuse 315 right here, very important fuse. Then we need to go ahead and open the hood. When you open the hood facing the engine on the right side, this is the driver's side, see that cover, remove it. Underneath you'll find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Guys, now here what we need to check, fuse number 122 and 126, relay G, and you have one hidden relay J. So that's J and O. You have 2 relays under that cover, but that top one is the one that you need to check. Now, we're not done, guys. We still need to come under the hood. But now, we're coming, instead of the driver's side, we come to the passenger side. That's the positive jump starter terminal. Guys, if you remove that cover, that's a built-in pre-fuse box. This is the back side of it. And if you open it, it will look something similar to this one. You have multiple fuses built inside. Now, depending on the year and model, you have to check 2 different fuse boxes. One of them may look like this one, and in that case, check fuse number 3. Right here. Since you're already here, check all of them, because all of them can cause problems as well. Then, okay, you need to check fuse number 5. Okay, if you have that kind of pre-fuse box. Fuse number 5. Again, test all of them since you're already here. And now we have in the trunk, guys, 2 more fuses. Open the trunk, leave the cargo cover up. Underneath, you see that flap, open it. and that's the main trunk fuse box. Here you need to check fuse number 442, and then you need to check fuse number 451. Very important fuses. Those are the main fuses, guys, that you will need to check for that sensor. Guys, this Mercedes has all kind of different fuses, right? You can see just in this fuse box we have two different kinds. Then if you go in this one, you have even some more special fuses right there in the trunk fuse box as well, guys. Now, it's always a good idea to keep some spare ones, guys, in the glove box for a peace of mind. That way, if you're in the middle of nowhere, you need a fuse, you replace it, you're back on the road. Otherwise, we'll be stuck in the middle of nowhere, guys. We'll share the links in the description of the video below where you can get replacement fuses, relays, where we get most of our tools, part supplies from as well. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching and see you next time.